Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blend Protocol token. Now this token is about to start their pre-sale in around half a day or so on pinksale.finance. This is going to be a public pre-sale. This token's on the Ethereum blockchain. Ticker symbol is Blend. They have an audit, a KYC. Right now they're trending number 6. So a lot of people are watching this pre-sale even before it's even started. We're going to go over the information on the Blend Protocol token in 1 second and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So the domain of decentralized finance has witnessed extraordinary growth, yet the twin concerns of privacy and security persist. Blend Protocol emerges as a solution, introducing an unparalleled level of financial privacy while upholding the essential tenets of decentralization. Our team of dedicated blockchain experts, driven by a vision for privacy-centric DeFi ecosystem, has meticulously developed a Blend to reshape how users engage with cryptocurrencies. So they want to redefine privacy within the DeFi space. So in the pursuit of financial independence, decentralization has become a cornerstone of DeFi. Blend Protocol contends that privacy is equally vital in this equation. By empowering users with genuine financial privacy, Blend effectively strikes the balance between decentralization and confidentiality. In a world where digital footprints can be easily traced, Blend offers a refuge for those who seek to navigate the silence, safeguarding their financial actions from prying eyes. So if you haven't noticed, that's, Blend. They're talking about blending in privacy. Join us as we explore how Blend Protocol illuminates DeFi's landscape for privacy here. So Blend Protocol is more than just a platform. It's a paradigm shift in the DeFi landscape. Our solution revolves around a comprehensive ecosystem designed to prioritize security and privacy. The privacy protocol Blend Swap forms the backbone of Blend, enabling users to conduct seamless, untraceable transactions between wallets. Furthermore, our NFTs, staking, card, and utilities work in harmony to create an environment where privacy is paramount. Explore these features as we demonstrate on how Blend Protocol revolutionizes financial privacy while providing an accessible and user-friendly experience. So some of the different features, they have the Blend Swap, Blend Revenue, Blend NFTs, Blend Staking, Blend Privacy, and Blend Card. So Blend Swap ensures private transactions by using different wallets and cryptocurrencies for untraceable swaps. Blend NFTs grant feeless blend swaps, perpetually enhancing utility. You can stake the Blend tokens to yield farm incentives, fostering community engagement. Blend Protocol offers industry-leading transaction speeds, ensuring swift yet private transfers. Convert crypto to fiat or use it for transactions with ease, flexibility, and convenience in the Blend ecosystem. Stake Blend for direct Ethereum profit shares, incentivizing involvement. Clearly allocate funds for staking, pool, buybacks, burns, and operations. With only 0.3% transaction fees, Blend offers budget-friendly privacy. So those are some of the main features there of Blend. Now, if we go to the actual PinkSale page You can find a full audit. So they were audited by Solid Proof, and you can check out the full PDF of that audit on Pink Sale. And they also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to Solid Proof to verify who they are for security reasons. It says they're going to have CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and DEX tools trending directly post-launch, massive social campaigns, top-level marketing, and 0% taxes. So they're going to have the desktop app and Telegram bot. Now this pre-sale is a public pre-sale and is going to start exactly December 7th at 18 hours UTC time and go until December 12th, 18 hours UTC time. So it's a 5-day pre-sale. Soft cap is for Ethereum, and there is no hard cap. So basically the pre-sale is just going to continue for the full 5 days, and the sky's the limit. Initial market cap estimate, $20,694. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion blend tokens. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Uniswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the blend token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, blendprotocol.io. Now, you probably won't have to worry too much about slippage because it says 0% taxes. And liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 152 days. Now, besides that, it says they have on their webpage a pitch deck, a full white paper, roadmap, tokenomics, ecosystem. They have a button to go to their Telegram swap or their web swap. You just click swap now. It'll take you right over there. So besides that, they have a Telegram you could join at Blend Portal. 228 subscribers on there so far. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. 859 followers at Blend_protocol. You can see they have a link to their Telegram. And they have a full link tree. Now, they just joined in May 2023, so that's how brand new this project is. But let's quickly go over the roadmap here. Stage 1, plan the project, website, smart contract, begin protocol development. Stage 2, internal testing, pre-sale, begin initial marketing, grow the community. Phase 3, token launch, protocol beta, NFT mint, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, aggressive marketing. Phase 4, more marketing, staking dApp release, central exchange listings, protocol main launch, and then stage 5, card launch, more exchanges, and further developments. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Blend Protocol and their token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.